Hi, welcome to Apify, your one-stop shop for data extraction and automation. If you're a headhunter or recruitment agency looking for candidates, you know how hard it is to keep track of the demand for specific skill sets in particular industries. Employment and job listing websites like Indeed are probably the first place you'd look for talent. The great benefit of Indeed is that it has thousands of listings, but that also makes it frustrating, as it is a tall order to go through all of those listings manually. Thankfully, you can automate this tedious task. With Indeed Scraper, you can extract all the relevant data from all job listings for a specific position in a matter of minutes. With this data, you can quickly identify what skills are currently in demand and keep up to date with the ever-changing landscape of the job market. Not only can you find the best talent for a specific position, but you can also predict trends and future demand for professional roles. So keep watching if you want to know how to use this powerful tool for recruiting talent. To get started, go to apify.it/Indeed. You'll be taken directly to the Indeed Scraper page. Now just click on Try for Free to sign up for an Apify account. If you already have one, just log right in. Once you're on the Indeed Scraper page, let's create a new task so we can save this configuration and reuse it later. In the input options, we will enter the search term we want from Indeed. For example, if you are searching for a web developer in San Francisco, then simply insert web developer in the position for search field and select the country and location you are searching for. You can then insert the maximum number of job positions you want to extract. Once you're ready, just click Start. Your task will change from running to succeeded when it's finished. This might take a few minutes. Once your run has finished, you can preview and download the data in several structured formats. For example, we are going to download the data we have just extracted in Excel. Here you have 100 job positions and you can see all the relevant information for the position. For example, the job title and description, location, company name, and more. A task that would normally take many hours has taken just a few minutes. Another great feature of the Apify platform is that you can connect Apify with your favorite web apps to make the most of the obtained data and further automate your workflow. Find out more about all the available integrations at apify.com/integrations. That's all for this tutorial, but if you're interested in more tools to help boost your business, check out our LinkedIn URL Finder, email and phone extractor, and other automation tools in Apify Store. Also, feel free to follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter to keep up to date with our latest data extraction and automation tools. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials. So long, and thanks for all the likes.